Welcome to the channel. Today we are in the ZR1. We are going to be taking it to a cruise-in that we have. It's a local event that they put on. It's like the last Saturday of every month. But a lot of local cars come out, and some from, 30, 40 miles away. Anyway, I thought I'd take the Vette and give you guys maybe some point of views of driving on the outside of the vehicle. Hopefully I don't get a ton of wind noise. But anyway, let's go check out what's there. wanted to film what a guy that drives an orange T-bucket looks like. He wears a T-bucket on his hat and a T-bucket on his shirt, because you can't drive a T-bucket without wearing both those things.
That's the way it works.
Full of set up concrete places, and they had used it for concrete somewhere, and they put concrete in there on up and straightened out, and everything, in the corner.
All right, guys, we actually made it back in one piece, thankfully. Car's parked back up in its spot, hopefully cooling down. I think a lot of the reason there wasn't a good turnout is because it was so hot. It was like 100 degrees. You can see I've changed clothes because, I was just drenched in sweat by the time we got home. But anyway, the blower is about the hottest I've ever seen it get. It was about 115 degrees. But I was able to get a few pulls in, and I'm sure somebody's going to say, hey, you hit the rev limiter in second gear on one of those pulls. And yes, I did. I know. But it happens, you know. It was a lot of fun to take it out, though. It's the first time I've actually taken this car with any modifications to that cruise in. I've taken it before, back when it was stock, but I wanted to take it after I've got all this stuff done. But I did, the guy I was giving a hard time in the video, that was my dad. He drives the orange T-bucket. Maybe I need to get like a Corvette T-shirt and a Corvette hat when I'm driving my Corvette, but I give him a hard time. He knows that I'm just joking around. But at some point, we'll have to go out to his house and check out his cars. He's got that T-bucket, and then he's got another vehicle that we'll check out. But if you like this video, guys, please give it a thumbs up. It's the first time I've kind of done a driving video, and I know it wasn't super great. We'll get better at it. But if you haven't subscribed, please consider doing that. Hit that little bell icon down in the bottom. That way you know every time I drop a new video. And then if you have any ideas, any comments, suggestions, please put them in the comments down below. I read every one of my comments on my videos. Also, you can hit me up on Instagram at TWA Motorsports, or you can email me at twamotorsports@hotmail.com. But stay tuned to see what happens next.